In this video, you will learn how to convert USDC to USDT on Bitget. Log into your Bitget account, open the Bitget app or website and securely sign in to access your wallet. Check your USDC balance. Go to your spot wallet and ensure you have USDC available to convert to USDT. Go to the Trade or Convert section, tap on Trade or Convert or Swap to access the token exchange feature. Select USDC and the USDT as tokens. Choose USDC in the From option and USDT in the To option. Enter the amount of USDC to convert. Type in how much USDC you want to swap and preview the expected USDT amount including fees. Confirm the conversion. Tap confirm and wait for the swap to finish. Once complete, your USDT will appear in your spot wallet. Now you know how to convert USDC to USDT on Bitget. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.